Welcome back everyone, Tom Voyage here, back with the Koda 16, ready for another real-time pizza cook. Today we're doing our own version of a marinara pizza. It's a super simple recipe, it's just tomatoes, oreganos, a bit of garlic and a bit of basil. Really simple, really tasty. Let's go. So we're using the Ooni Koda 16 here today. This is the Ooni oven with the L-shaped gas burner, which means in theory you should only turn the pizza once, but I'm going to turn it more than that, just because I like doing it. So rather than have the flames on the full height, what I like to do is have them on full blast to bring the oven up to temperature, but then knock them back a little bit. I feel like this gives the pizza a little bit longer in the oven, developing a more crispier crust. And a more charred base as well. So you can see it starting to rise there at the back. Just going to get in underneath, give it a flip. And as you can see, rather than pushing it right to the back of the oven there, I'm just leaving a good sort of 10 centimeters distance. Because those flames are hot, boy. As you can see, we're getting some nice leoparding on the crust here. We'll pop that back in and brown it off now. I tell you what, the smell of garlic, you can smell it in the air, it's lovely. I think we'll be making all the neighbours jealous. So rather than a 60-second pizza, I usually leave mine in for around 2.5 minutes. Look at this lovely puffy crust we're getting now. I'm using a Caputo flour today, and it's specifically designed to give a puffy crust. It's a nice flour actually. And this is a 70% hydration dough. All right, so we've got some lovely colour on there. I'm just going to give a couple more seconds on that side. Really just to finish it off. And then it's time to enjoy some pizza. Wow, look at this. So you can see we've got a really nice crust here. That garlic is giving off some great smells from the middle. And if I bring that close to the mic, you can hear nice and crunchy, which is exactly how I want. Now, just before we wrap up this video, I'll show you the underneath as well. See some good leoparding, nice crispy base on there. And that's it, it's time to enjoy this pizza. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And thanks for watching. Join me in the next one for more pizza making videos.